Hello, Chris here from EarlyON Central. My pronouns are he and him. And today I'm going to take you through a breathe-in relaxing technique. We'll start, get out your wiggly fingers, and we're going to pretend it's pitter-patter and it's raining. So get those hands and pitter-patter in your hair. Bring the pitter-patter down your body. You can go down each arm, go down your chest, bring those pitter-patter all the way down to your toes, and then you're going to come back up. And finish off in your hair. And then you're going to take your hand and you're going to brush the water off. Make sure you give a little push, get a little pressure, brush the water off your legs. And then you're going to close your eyes, pretend the sun is out, and breathe in. Feel that sun just warming you up and drying you off. Thank you for joining me and joining in on that relaxation of the pitter-patter of the rain. Bye!